So my name is Stuart Gerger. I grew up in Detroit, Michigan. I live in Juneau, Alaska. I'm 56 years old. What I'm going to say is something that I learned from my Aunt Sylvia, may she rest in peace. Sylvia Browne died a couple years ago. She was 92. She was born here in Detroit. She was a Yiddish speaker and singer, a bit of a diva, and she loved to sing in public. But when I was single, and I was single for a long time, and she was worried I was being too picky, she taught me the following phrase. Alles in eynem is nishto by keynem. That means, do I need to, is everybody who's watching this going to be?
You should translate.
It means, alles in eynem, everything in one person, is nishto by keynem, is not in anyone. So don't be so picky. Nobody's got it all. But of course, coming from Sylvia Browne, that sounded very different.